Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Erica, and today I will be talking about this Q&A moisturizer, the Ceramide Barrier Defense Face Cream. Unlike my usual unboxing and reviews, this is not a K-beauty product but a product made in the UK. It's a moisturizer I was so excited to try out because it's based on a natural formula claimed to be 97.9% natural, and the ceramides are from pineapple extract. Pineapples are rich in both vitamins E and K, which are naturally occurring ceramides, and other than the main ingredient being a sustainable source, this product is also vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and fragrance-free. Plus, the company itself is also eco-friendly, with both the carton and the jar and lid being fully recyclable, so safe to say it ticked off all my interest in skincare. It's also marketed for all skin types, which is another reason I was so hyped to try this because my skin has a brain of its own and neither products for oily nor dry skin agree with me. Ceramides, in this case the pineapple extract, improve skin barrier function, skin moisturizing and elasticity, and protects the skin from environmental stressors, which gives it its anti-aging abilities. This product also contains natural squalane. Squalane is usually derived from shark liver, but in this case, it's derived from olive oil, which is known for its moisturizing and brightening abilities. Okay, so first impression. This packaging is so beautiful and clean, I love it. As I opened the jar, however, I was surprised in a bad way because what the hell is this? It looks bad, not gonna lie, and I opened it while I was recording this, so that's just how it came. But I decided to give it the benefit of the doubt. Maybe it was a shipping issue given I live on an island. So yeah, I tested it out for a few days and this product was just too heavy. You need to pull onto your skin for it to blend out and soak into the skin, which it doesn't really do. It just sits on the skin feeling greasy and weighing down. I was so disappointed because I think the product itself left my skin looking good and healthy, but the formula, why is it so thick? Okay, so that was in April, so I thought maybe it would be better when the weather gets hotter, so I closed it and didn't use it again until July. I was wrong though, it was still the same, maybe just slightly better, but it's still too thick and heavy. I also noticed that for summer it's definitely too much for the skin to use morning and night, and it was making my pores bigger, so I'm just using it for my night routine. And also, a little does not go a long way because it's so dense and doesn't glide that you need a lot more than the usual required pea-sized amount. As I mentioned earlier, it's marketed for all skin types, sensitive, oily, dry, etc. But honestly, it's way too heavy for oily skin and it's too dense for dry skin, so how will it even glide? It will require too much pulling and it's too heavy to tap in, so that doesn't work. I have extremely sensitive skin and it doesn't break me out, so in that sense it's good at least. All in all, I was so hyped for it, but ended up so disappointed. It's such a shame though because I do think the product is really good and it's fully the formula density that's the problem. So this won't be a purchase for me, but if they do change up the formula and thin it out a bit, I would hands down try it out again. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!